Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Exodus wallet. First, download the Exodus wallet from their official website to ensure authenticity. Next, create a strong, unique password to secure your funds. It's crucial to write down your 12-word recovery phrase immediately and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is your only way to restore your wallet if you lose access, so treat it with extreme care. Receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. Simply navigate to the asset you wish to receive and locate your unique wallet address. Copy this address precisely to ensure your funds arrive safely. When sending crypto, select the asset, then enter the recipient's wallet address and the desired amount. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction to prevent irreversible errors. Exodus offers a convenient built-in exchange feature, allowing you to swap one cryptocurrency for another directly within the wallet. Before confirming, always review the current exchange rates and any associated fees to ensure you're getting a fair deal. For enhanced security, regularly back up your wallet and keep your Exodus software updated to the latest version. This protects against potential vulnerabilities and ensures optimal performance. Beyond basic transactions, Exodus provides advanced features like detailed portfolio tracking, helping you monitor your investments. You can also customize network fees for faster or cheaper transactions. For maximum security, consider connecting your Exodus wallet to a compatible hardware wallet, adding an extra layer of protection for your assets. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home tech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.